Hey, I'm Ellie and I like Monster.
And I'm Anna, and I like it too. And we're playing some, um,
Why do I
uh...
like Zero Sugar?
What? Okay, anyways, we're playing Murder Mystery.
I'm drinking Zero Sugar and Monster.
Anyways, let's just wait till the next round.
Yes.
I'm, I'm, I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I am. Anyways, anyways,
Sorry.
oh my god! Ugh, God's sake.
This pulls me on teammate.
Anyways, guys. Okay, wait. Oh, fuck. Anyways, crap, I just broke my screen. Oh, here. So, guys, I muted her. And now I hate her for that. And you know what you gotta do always when someone kills you in Murder Mystery. You gotta get them back. Anyways, I'm gonna mute her. Yeah. Anyways, can you hear me?
Yes,
I hope my mic is not too close to my face, because it's gonna make such a loud sound, especially when I scream. Anyways, ASMR. That's not really ASMR, but anyways. Nice. Anyways, um. Okay, I have nothing to say.
people jump over me.
God. Here, I'm gonna spectate on you. Oh, what did I just see? Oh,
How the fuck am I winning?
kill that!
Heartbeat.
It's a number one. She's on mobile, so yeah, it's pretty hard for her.
Wanna be?
When your laptop gets fixed, she can play better. He's gonna teleport if he does that. Yes, you killed him. Nope, you did not. No.
I really want to throw my knife right now. I'll go with that. I'm gonna grab these coins.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Ready.
Oh yes. Okay. Ooh, there's someone there. And they're not.
I was about to kill you.
Kill it! Oh my god. Innocence won, no wonder. Anyways, waiting till the next round, I guess. I'm innocent. Why are you? What?
I'm you, and I'm not telling you.
What are you?
Hi, bitch. Come here.
What are you?
I want to kiss you.
What are you?
I'm not telling you.
I've been only murderer once. Well, I wasn't recording really that time. But I was only murderer once. Oh, I just saw the murderer.
I told you I wasn't moving.
But where are you?
Bathroom. I need to pee, idiot.
What? No, I asked. No! No! No!
Did you die?
I hate this so much. Okay, I'm gonna spectate on you. There.
There's some. Oh shit!
It's the yellow dude.
I know who the murderer is.
Yeah. Oh. You can see my dead body. Jump in! Jump in! Just jump in! For God's sake! Run. Just run. I always, oh my god.
It's like I
I bet the murderer's just gonna walk in and kill you all. Yep, but not in. You have to go the other way. Go forward. God's sake.
Oh, we
You're following it! You're following it! What the hell? What the hell? Why were you following it? God's sake.
put on.
Oh,
I think y'all got them loud. No.
oh my god. Okay, she's raining for it. So annoying how there's coins everywhere. I think she's the sheriff now, come on. She's in there.
Yeah, she is. I saw her gun.
Oh god, she is sheriff. I'm spectating on her now, so yeah. Okay, anyways, oh god, that was so annoying. When I'm in shift, that means I'm murderer probably. Or not, I don't know. Oh yeah, I like, oh crap, I didn't get the pick. Loading, come on.
Rick might have it.
Anyways. I'm innocent, seriously? God. Oi, say,
No, Anastasia.
Hi.
I'm dying.
Okay, I'm just looking around.
Points.
It's her. No. Oh, you're the sheriff.
Fucking yellow dude.
It's not-
Yeah, that's why I say stay near me. I'm gonna shoot you if you don't get away from me. Not you. Sorry, the yellow dude.
Oh, yeah. Yellow face. It's someone, the person who's coming out next is it. Because I feel like they're running away from him. Or her. Oh god, run! God's sake! God's sake!
I did this. Didn't you see that?
I saw that! I saw everything.